Dialogue 1. Closing a deal.
Jane, Olivia hasn't signed the contract.
We need her signature soon.
Let's take her out to lunch.
Good idea. Maybe she has questions.
We can answer them over food.
She will appreciate our gesture.
Do you know what she likes?
She loves French food a lot.
Can you find a French restaurant?
Sure, I'll search on Bing.
Look for the best one nearby.
Okay, I found some options.
Which one has the highest rating?
Les Amos has 4 stars.
What about the price range?
It's expensive, but worth it.
Let's book a table there.
I'll call them right now.
Great. I'll text Olivia then.
Hopefully, she will sign soon.
Did she reply to your text?
Yes, she said she's free.
Perfect. Let's go pick her up.
Okay, I have the address.
How far is it from here?
Not too far, about 15 minutes.
Good. We have enough time.
Yes, our reservation is at 1 p.m.
I hope she likes the place.
Me too. It's a nice gesture. Dialogue 2. Entertaining clients.
Hi Nancy, how was work?
Busy as usual, you know.
Any plans for tonight then?
I have to entertain our clients.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Not really, I'm clueless where to go.
How about the sushi place downtown?
The one near the park?
Yeah, that's the one. It's good.
I can't take them there, John.
Why not? They don't like sushi?
No, they do. They own it.
They own the sushi place?
Yes, they do. It's theirs.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do. Any other suggestions?
How about the Italian restaurant?
The one on Main Street?
Yeah, that's the one. It's cozy.
I guess that could work.
Do you need a reservation?
I don't think so. It's Monday.
Well, you never know. It's popular.
True. Maybe I should call them.
Yeah, that would be wise.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Good luck. Hope they have space.
Thanks. Me too. They're nice people.
Yeah, they are. Very friendly.
And their food is delicious.
Dialogue 3. Cocktail party.
Hi Helen, going to the party?
Yes, I am. Are you coming?
Of course. Who did you invite?
I invited Steve, our new client.
Steve? He is very good looking.
Is he? I did not notice.
Come on, Helen. Don't be shy.
I'm not shy. I'm professional.
Sure, sure. Professional and interested.
No. Interested in his business.
And his personality, right?
Well, he is nice and smart.
And handsome, don't forget that.
Nancy, stop teasing me. Please.
Okay. I'll stop. Sorry.
It's okay. I know you're joking.
So, what are you wearing tonight?
I don't know. Something casual.
Casual? No way. You need glamour.
Glamour? Why? It's just a party.
A party with Steve, remember?
Nancy, you're doing it again.
Sorry. I can't help it.
You're too funny. And nosy.
I'm just curious. And supportive.
Supportive of what? There's nothing.
Nothing yet. But maybe soon.
Maybe not. Let's change the topic.
Fine. How about the weather?
The weather? That's boring.
Okay, then. How about Steve?
Nancy.
Dialogue 4. Company event. Hi Sarah, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm feeling better now.
You missed the party.
Yeah, I was sick.
It was crazy, Jane.
What happened?
You know our new client?
The one from London?
Yes, that one.
What about him?
He got drunk at the party.
Oh no, that's bad.
It gets worse.
How worse?
He upset our boss.
What did he do?
He spilled his drink on him.
Ouch, that's rude.
And then he insulted him.
What did he say?
He called him a moron.
That's awful.
And then he vomited on him.
That's disgusting.
I know, right?
How did our boss react?
He was furious, Jane.
Did he fire him?
No, he didn't.
Why not, Sarah?
He felt sorry for him.
He did? Why?
He said he was embarrassed.
Dialogue 5. Golf outing.
Hey Jim, guess what?
What is it, Steve?
The client invited us to golf.
Really? When and where?
On Saturday, at his private course.
Wow, that sounds amazing, Steve.
I know, right? Are you in?
Sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
Busy with what? It's Saturday.
I have family plans. Can't cancel.
That's too bad. He'll be disappointed.
Who? The client or you?
Both of us. We need you.
Why do you need me?
You know he hates losing, right?
Yeah, so what? He's good?
Exactly. He's too good. We're not.
Speak for yourself. I'm decent.
Decent? You're terrible, Jim. Admit it.
Hey, that's not nice, Steve.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Yes, you did. You're mean.
No, I'm not. I'm honest.
Well, honesty hurts sometimes, Steve.
Fine. I apologize. Forgive me?
Okay. I forgive you.
Thank you. So, will you come?
No, I can't. I told you.